Hello friends, welcome to Kainat Academy. Again, I have come up with the examples 12.5 and 12.6 from the NCERT book of science with the chapter electricity. As in the previous, as in my previous video, I just uploaded the the question the examples of 12.3 and 12.4. Now I will tell you the how to solve these 12.5 and 12.6. Okay, so we will start now. Resistance of the metal wire of length 1 meter. Here L is given 1 meter, is 26 ohm. Resistance is given as 26 ohm at 20 degrees Celsius. If the diameter of the wire is 0.3 mm, means diameter will be 0.3 mm. You can write it as you can write it as 0.3 into 10 power minus 3 meter for the millimeter to millimeter. And for the radius, what we have to do, because we have to find the area first, then we will calculate this question by using the formula R is equal to rho L by A. Okay, so this is the R, which will be 0.3 into 10 power minus 3 upon 2. Let us solve this R first. 3 into, if we will bring this here 3, this point to this side, then we will have to decrease here also the power 1.5. okay, so we have got this 1.5 minus 4. okay, this is the R. Now what will be the resistivity of the material at that temperature? Means at 20 degrees Celsius temperature is remaining the same, so there will be no any kind of change. So now using R is equal to rho L by A, here we are already given R, we are already given L, and A is to be calculated. First, if we are going to calculate A, then A will be like pi r square, which will be 3.14 into r square 1.5 into 10 power minus 4 whole square. Okay, and solving this question, we will do for rho, we have to calculate the rho value for rho, so rho will be R A by L. Then this R will be 26, as it is given. R is 26 and A will be 3.14 into 1.5 into 1.5 means 2.25 into 10 power minus 8. okay, and now L is 1 meter. okay, this is rho will be if you will solve this multiply, then rho will come, whatever the rho will come, you will predict it with the material of the wire. You will predict it with the table 12.2, which is given right there in your NCERT book, in science NCERT book, and it will whatever be the value will come. Here I am not going to solve it anymore because this is just a simple multiplication. You can solve it and write in scientific notation, and it will come out to be I think manganese. okay, the resistivity will be of manganese. If you will look into the table, then you will got to know that the answer which will come here will represent will show you the resistivity of the manganese in the table. Okay, so now next question. A 4 ohm wire is doubled on it. A 4 ohm wire is doubled on it means the 4 ohm resistance is doubled on it means first R is equal to R. Okay, let us take R is equal to R. 4 ohm resistance is doubled on it. Calculate the new resistance of the wire. Let us R1 be R and length be L and what is yes, and area be A. Now for we know already that R is equal to rho L by A. Okay, now resistance of the 4 ohm resistance is doubled on it. Doubled on it means here if this is the wire, then if this is the wire of length L, then what it is actually doing, it is doing like place means it's where when we will double on it, it means that the length will become half and the area will become double. Means new L will be L by 2 and new A will be what? 2A. Now for then R dash will be equal to, R dash means R new will be equal to rho, because the rho will be the same as the material of the wire is not changing. So rho will be the same and rho L dash by A dash. Now rho L dash by A dash, here R is already given that 4 ohm, so we can write it here as 4 ohm. Okay, so here rho L by now putting the value of L dash and A dash. L dash as rho, L dash will be L by 2 and A dash will be 2A. This will come out to be rho L by, this 2 will come to this here denominator, okay, 4A. This is 1 by 4 of rho L by A. It means 1 by 4, this rho L by A, this whole rho L by A is what? Nothing but the resistance. So this is R. Means R dash will be 1/4 of the resistance. So resistance is what? 4 ohm. It is given 4 ohm. So we will write here 4 ohm. 4 by 4 will be equal to 1 ohm. Means when the wire is doubled on it, the resistance will become 1/4 of the previous resistance. Okay, thank you. And if you like my video, please hit the bell. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can watch my videos as I upload my video. Okay, thank you.